Under personal development, develop these 5 abilities. First of all is the ability to absorb. One of the big challenges for being here now, especially for 3 full days, some of you, it's going to be a challenge to try to get it all. But I'm asking you to do that. In another seminar I do, here's a little phrase I have. For the future, pay attention. See if you can't get everything. Every word possible, every idea possible. It's easy to let your mind wander, right, and not really concentrate and dig in and make these days extraordinarily valuable for you. Absorb the atmosphere. Absorb the drama of the occasion. Absorb the spirit of the occasion. Absorb the reasons for coming here, and then the reasons for going back home and making a difference. Absorb the variety of voices you're going to hear this weekend. And absorb the provocative ideas as well as the ones that you agree with. Absorb all of that. Take it all in. By listening intently, taking good notes, talking with each other. Here's one more. Absorb the drama of each other. You're going to have a chance to meet some excellent people here. Losers don't pay this kind of money to come to seminars. The reason why the price tag is substantial is because when you get here, you'll have an excellent chance of meeting some pretty good folks. Even if they borrowed the money to get here. At least they knew how to do that. Whatever it takes. So don't go away without meeting some people. Here's the next part. Listen to the testimonials. You may pick up some ideas from someone's testimonial that'll be just as valuable as what I share from this podium. And sometimes a word spoken in private from someone's unique testimonial is so powerful. It's just as powerful as all the words given by the presenter. So take that all home. Key, absorb the chance for a new beginning. I don't know where you are at the moment. This is sort of mid-year. First 6 months, getting ready now for the last 6 months. And as you pause mid-year to contemplate the past and think about the future, as you ponder for a while ideas that you've already heard, anticipating that you're going to hear some more, how could that create for you a new beginning?